proof to show you guys I'm not actually good at this. Here is ugly forest. Oh my god. Damn it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. I still have to write my name on this. Should I write my name in my left hand? Okay, in case you guys have been watching for a while, I'm not actually left-handed. This looks like my year 1 handwriting. Okay, that's my proof to show you guys I'm not actually good at this. Yay, yay, okay. Black? Black, definitely black. Oh, that's an interesting turn of events. There's like an open... Okay. Looking at this, I think I go black, 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 fade, and then black, black, black. The black going here, and then it fades to green, but on the other side you've got black going there and it fades to beige. You got it? You know, this is how you do this one. It's just gonna fade. I think this might be all the blacks. Yeah, there's some gradients going on there. Yeah. I think this one is really important if you're colouring it in. I really don't know what colours I need. This one's best to start off with. So I want to use this, and I'm looking at these. Okay, I see red here, but it's not like red, so I'm just going to use orange. Here. Yeah, hectic, really textured as fuck. So I understand this is not yellow, but I would like to add like a yellow tint. I know you can't see the blue, but I'm seeing like hints of blue like here and here. Definitely here, because that is blue. So I see quite a bit of blue in here. This is probably a mixture of beige and blue, I reckon. I'm not going excessive. I've just got 3 shades, and I think I'll add more later. Here is ugly forest. Oh my god. Damn it. Damn it. Yes. Ugly forest green. The Scream. Definitely identical. Great color scheme. I should do more of that. Around the edges of the dark green, I'm going to put the light green. Nice. I want some yellow in here. That's like a tint of yellow, but it's not really yellow. So I've got this metallic. There you go. Metallic yellow. Cool. Okay, now I'm gonna throw in this really pigmented, like a teal viridian. Okay, so it's like here and here, here. Okay, I've pulled out some blues. You know, I'm cool with that blue. Let's see what this blue does. This blue is okay. I'm not okay with that blue. Okay. God damn it, I did it backwards. There was an outline here. I was meant to do white. Barely fixed. Barely. It would have had such a better impact if I didn't colour it in. Yeah. I think it's not dark enough in the corners. Nah, that's just the wrong colour. I'll wrap it up. I think it's nice. Yeah. Yeah. Look at it.